How is it?
It's yummy.
It's yummy. Are you sure?
Yes.
Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and today we're going to make a simple pilau. So the ingredients that I'll be using are beef. This is a quarter kg, 4 cups of rice, cooking oil, tomato paste, onions, garlic, ginger, pilau masala, mixed spices, and some salt. I have a secret ingredient that I use. I add on my pilau, and the ingredients is a tablespoon of sugar. I add it on my rice, on my pilau, and it comes out. Mwah. I'll add my cooking oil into the sufuria. The next, I'll add the onions. The onions I will cook until they are golden brown, so it will take some time until they are tender and golden brown. So we'll leave them to cook, and then we'll come back to add the other ingredients. Onions are golden brown now. What I'll add is the garlic in the mixture. I'll stir together. I'll add the ginger. Cook it for like 1 minute. I'll add my beef. This beef I've already boiled it, so it's not raw. So the reason why I boiled it is to make it tender, and also to when I am cooking the pilau, I won't take a lot of time cooking the beef. So this is almost ready, so I'll put it on. I'll add it on my ingredients. I'll leave it to cook kidogo. I'll add some salt. So at this moment, I'll add the mixed spices, and I'll add the pilau masala. I'll put some little water so that it won't stick on the sufuria. Sorry for that. see how the mixture is now. It's a little bit brown. So we cook it for like a minute again. Let it boil together with the spices so that the spices can mix well with the meat. At this moment, I'll add the 1 tablespoon of sugar. This one, 1 tablespoon of sugar. The reason why I am adding this sugar is to minimize the sugar minimizes the spiciness of the spices that I've put here. So it won't be pilau kali, it will be a sweet, it will have a little bit of a sweetness. Yeah. And then I'll add the tomato paste. One packet, it is about 70 grams. Yes. Mix together again. So basically what is remaining now is just adding the rice and then water, and then we leave it to boil. Then we add our rice. You see how it is? So I'll add the water. These are 4 cups. It's about 6 cups. Since I've washed the rice already, I don't want to put 8 cups of water because the rice is already washed and it's dried, so it will be faster to cook it. So one of the tips I would give today is that if you want your rice to come out well, you wash the rice like 20 minutes before cooking. Let it dry and then you cook. So we are going to leave this mixture to boil, then we will add our rice and let it cook well. Okay, so our mixture is boiled now, and at this stage you also need to check if the salt is okay. So I've tested, it's fine. So I'll add my rice. This is the last ingredient that I'll be adding on this mixture. So I'll cover the rice now. Let it cook in low heat, and then we'll come back and see how it came out. Yani vile ime come out. Sawa sawa. So guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and help us to reach 1,000 subscribers. Subscribing is free, guys. It's free. You will not pay anything. And if you hear someone telling you to pay so that you can subscribe, that is a person who doesn't know how YouTube operates. So I'm telling you, it is free. So guys, our pilau is ready, and it's just come out so well, and I'm just happy. I'm usually very happy when the rice comes out well. It's one of my let's say, huwa tunaogopa mchele ikikuwa ugali. So I'm so happy it's come out well. It's not mushy. And today I have a guest who will taste our pilau. This pilau we are going to serve with some kachumbari. You know, avocado is still in the season, so we've prepared a salad on the side. So here is our guest. So our guest is here, and it's Baby Zawadi. She's the one who's going to taste for us the what?
The
Pilau.
pilau.
Sour. So this is what I've given her. So how is it?
It's yummy.
It's yummy. Are you sure?
Yes.
It is, eh? Ooh, let me give you another spoon with some meat. Sour. Take your time, eh?
Yummy.
It's yummy. So guys, as you've heard, it's yummy, and so we will serve the rest of the family, and we will indulge now. So guys, thank you so much for watching our video until the end. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment, and God will bless you. So guys, bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye bye.